We're now going to talk about a geometric series. So first of all, what is a geometric series? So we could start off looking at this. So the numbers 3, 21, 14, they don't add up to the same thing. We're adding 18, we're adding a lot more than 18, but we keep on multiplying by the same amount. So this tells us that this is over here is a geometric sequence. So this is a geometric sequence. And a geometric series is not the term is multiplied, it's still, so the difference between them is multiplied. So the numbers are at a common ratio, but a geometric sequence, a geometric series is still the numbers in the sequence added together. So that's a geometric series. So let's go and find a formula that we could use to find the sum of a geometric series. I've kind of pre-written most of it, but I'll go through it. So we know that a geometric sequence is A, and then the next one is A times R. R is the common ratio, AR squared, and then all the way up to AR to the n minus 1. So what we're going to do here, for another one, we're going to multiply this by R. So we're going to multiply every term in the sum by R. So A becomes AR, AR becomes AR squared becomes AR cubed, and AR to the n minus 1 becomes AR to the n. Then what we're going to do, so that's just kind of the setup, we're going to take this and we're going to subtract this. And I'm going to kind of go in a different order. So I'm going to say, so these are essentially all going to be minus. So it's going to be minus, minus, because we're subtracting the Sn. And so what we have is, we have minus A, and that's this over here. And then we have plus AR, minus AR, and plus AR squared, that should have included that, and minus AR squared. And AR to the n minus 1, there's going to be this is technically a minus, right? And then there's an AR to the n minus 1 over here. And then this one is alone, and that's that one over there. And what we notice, of course, is that these cancel, and all the way and so forth. And so the only things that are left are these two terms. So what I've done on this line is I've just written those two terms. So the negative A is over there, the AR to the n is over there. Here what I've done is I've common factored out the sum. So there's a common factor here, the common factor is s to the n, it leaves r minus 1. Then I divided both sides by r minus 1, so that went to the bottom. Switch the order, so it's AR to the n minus A. And then here, the A is common factor out the A. And that is the formula for the sum of a geometric sequence, otherwise known as a geometric series.